2026 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 Wald Black Bison. 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 Wald Black Bison. The name alone sounds powerful, but the moment you see this machine, you realize it's far more than just an SUV. This is a statement on wheels. A legendary off-road icon transformed into an aggressive luxury beast that dominates the road with unmatched presence. Today we're taking a deep dive into this incredible widebody masterpiece to see what makes it one of the most striking Land Cruisers ever created. The first thing that instantly grabs your attention is the bold and dramatic exterior. Built on the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser J300 platform, this version has been completely transformed by Wald International and their famous Black Bison widebody kit. The widened fenders immediately give the SUV a muscular stance, making it look planted and incredibly powerful. The aggressive front bumper design, sharp air intakes, and sculpted hood lines give it a performance-inspired personality rarely seen on large luxury SUVs. Moving around the side, the wide arches perfectly frame massive multi-spoke alloy wheels that enhance both the sporty look and road presence. Side skirts extend the body visually, giving the vehicle a lower and more athletic silhouette. At the rear, the transformation continues with a bold diffuser-style bumper, integrated exhaust accents, and a dramatic roof spoiler that adds a touch of performance flair. The LED taillights glow sharply against the body, creating a futuristic look at night. Step inside and the Land Cruiser reminds you why it has always been one of the most respected luxury SUVs in the world. The cabin combines rugged capability with premium comfort. High-quality leather seats, soft-touch materials, and elegant metallic accents surround you in a refined environment. The large digital display and advanced infotainment system keep you connected with navigation, smartphone integration, and a premium sound experience that turns every drive into a luxury journey. The seating is spacious and supportive, designed for long-distance comfort whether you're cruising through the city or heading out on a serious off-road adventure. Multiple climate zones, ambient lighting, and cutting-edge driver assistance features make the interior feel both modern and relaxing. Under the hood, the Land Cruiser continues to deliver the strength it's famous for. Powered by a twin-turbocharged V6 engine, this SUV produces impressive horsepower and torque, giving it strong acceleration despite its size. The advanced four-wheel drive system ensures that whether you're on highways, sand dunes, rocky terrain, or muddy trails, the Land Cruiser remains confident and capable. Performance isn't just about power here. The suspension system is engineered to balance comfort with off-road toughness, absorbing bumps while maintaining stability. It's the kind of vehicle that feels just as comfortable in a luxury hotel driveway as it does deep in the wilderness. Now let's talk about pricing. While the standard Land Cruiser is already positioned as a premium SUV, the Wald Black Bison widebody conversion pushes it into exclusive territory. Depending on customization, this stunning build can easily climb well beyond the base model price, making it a luxury collector-style SUV designed for those who want something truly unique. In the end, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 Wald Black Bison isn't just a vehicle, it's a bold fusion of luxury, power, and design. It keeps the legendary durability of the Land Cruiser while adding a dramatic visual transformation that turns heads everywhere it goes. If you love powerful SUVs, luxury builds, and extreme widebody designs, this might just be one of the most exciting Land Cruisers ever created. And honestly, once you see it in person, it's impossible to forget. Car fire.